Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. Samsung's new Galaxy Chromebook 2 is now open for pre-orders in the US. The Chromebook 2 is the first to feature a Samsung QLED display. This is a 13.3-inch Full HD Plus display with touchscreen functionality. It's also S Pen compatible. This Chromebook is powered by an Intel Celeron chip at the entry-level price, or you can upgrade to a 10th generation Intel Core i3-10110U which clocks at 2.1 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz. The overall product weighs 2.72 pounds and measures 12 by 8 by 0.55. There's a headphone jack and dual 5-watt speakers. There's a 720p web camera for conference calls, and the graphics are powered by Intel and supports a 4K external monitor. There's also a microSD card slot that supports up to 1 TB of expanded storage. Meanwhile, there are 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage in the upgraded model, but the introductory one comes with half the storage and RAM. There are 2 USB-C ports which both provide power to the 45.5 watt-hours battery, rated for 13 hours. Thankfully you won't need an adapter to use wired headphones, as the tablet has a 3.5mm headphone jack, or if you'd prefer a pair of TWS headphones, the Chromebook 2 supports Bluetooth 4.0, and Wi-Fi 6 as well. The Chromebook 2 starts at $549 and is now available for pre-order from Best Buy and Samsung.com in Fiesta Red and Mercury Gray. Those who pre-order before February 28 will receive up to a $50 credit towards purchases from either Best Buy or Samsung. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.